The Multidimensional Poverty Index measures a country's poverty levels based on living standards, education and access to health. This is in an effort to reveal the disadvantages poor people experience. The index also aims to provide governments with tools to monitor poverty and come up with policy. Government initiatives such as social grants, fee-free schools and free healthcare have improved the country's ranking.
We have about 20,000 schools in South Africa out of 26,000 public schools that are fee-free. You have about 67% of the population of South Africa that is getting free basic services in the form of water and electricity. You have children that get feeding schemes at school. You also have the elderly that get grants. About 17 million persons in South Africa are getting grants in the form of the elderly and the children.
Unlike the MPI, the monetary index measures poverty in relation to income. South Africa's head of statistics, Risenga Maluleke, says both indexes are important for government to monitor the extent of poverty in the country. Meanwhile, Minister in the Presidency, Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, has told delegates that skills development is the best way to alleviate poverty.
Investing both in health, of course, because you can't do much if you're not healthy, but more importantly, in education and skills. I think education and skills probably would be the fastest equalizer when you look at children who come from rich families and those who come from poor families.
Over 70 countries participate in the Multidimensional Poverty Peer Network. These include China, Mexico, Egypt and Tanzania. Its 6th annual high-level meeting continues until Thursday. Mbalenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.